Imagine for a second that the world is a giant dinner table.
But there's a problem. The fridge is empty. The pantry is bare.
In the 1960s, experts were certain it was mathematically impossible to feed everyone. They predicted a great hunger that would simply wipe entire countries off the map. But while everyone panicked, one man stood knee-deep in mud in Mexico. His name was Norman. He wasn't a billionaire. He just really liked plants. He invented shuttle breeding, moving seeds back and forth between Experts called it a waste of money and tried to fire him. Norman didn't care. He spent days pollinating wheat with tweezers in his shack. He created wheat that grew incredibly fast, but then a new problem hit. The stalks were too thin. At the slightest breeze, they would just fall into the mud.
It was like trying to build a skyscraper out of spaghetti.
He needed a superhero, a bodybuilder plant, not a basketball player. He crossed his wheat with a dwarf Japanese variety. Now it was short, strong, and unafraid of any storm. 1 acre could now feed 10 times more people. Meanwhile, in India and Pakistan, the situation had turned apocalyptic. The population bomb was about to explode. People were fighting for food. Bureaucrats blocked Norman's seeds, demanding thousands of papers. But he didn't give up, even when a real war broke out. Norman escorted the trucks right through the war zone. He gave bribes, argued with soldiers, and slapped on sacks of grain. To teach the farmers, he just planted a demonstration plot by the road. Farmers saw the results and started stealing seeds at night. He just smiled. A harvest began, the likes of which the world had never seen. There was so much wheat they filled school classrooms instead of students. Even movie theaters turned into giant granaries. The famine retreated. When Norman won the Nobel Prize, he was working in the field. He just said, "That's nice, but we have a lot of work to do." Why did he do it? He remembered a hungry man from his childhood. He saw how food brings the color of life back to gray faces. Today, over 1 billion people are alive thanks to his dwarf superhero. Because food isn't just fuel, it's dignity.